I have been looking back at earlier videos again. Leisure and sportswear are currently top of the list for many sewers. So featuring my all-in-one body pattern and the improvised tiered jersey skirt, I explain a few useful techniques to use on jersey. This pretty skirt is an example of good use of the sewing machine on jersey. I used this clever strip shearing elastic to make the easiest of waistbands. It's a great invention. The contrast band is top-stitched in place. What a lovely colour combination. Even though the jerseys are quite different, they work well together. The hem again, mimicking the cover stitch, is simply machined around twice and trimmed. So neat. A quick look at the inside. I used traditional shearing elastic in my bobbin case to gather the skirt before sewing to the trimming band. A great trick for quick gathering. And the side seams were stitched with a narrow zigzag, trimmed and pressed open or to one side. Here is the jersey body pattern made up, and as you can see, I have used conventional sewing machine methods throughout. The seams are stitched with a very slight zigzag to give some stretch. The seam allowance is trimmed back to about 1/4 inch, then pressed open. You can also press it to the side, as it is sometimes fiddly to press open. The edges are simply folded to the wrong side and stitched with 2 rows of straight stitching and then trimmed. I shall be showing you how best to do this. Accuracy with spacing of the lines of stitches makes all the difference. So for the little cropped top, I used the top half of the body pattern, cutting off at around the waistline. I made a turning to take wide, soft elastic. Yes, the skirt was supposed to be worn at waist level. My model liked it as a hipster. I used my leggings pattern here, or you could use the bottom half of the body pattern. Check out all my other jersey patterns, a great sweatshirt, t-shirts and vests, shifts and more. Join my site to download all my sewing patterns or buy them individually. Especially check out my jersey sewing page. Thank you very much for watching this video. Watch the full version, which is full of jersey sewing techniques, one of my very early series of videos on YouTube.